Alright, so this is my Hellcat 125 Tau. I got these new turn signals, and they're LEDs. I got rid of the old ones. But as you can see, it's only showing one of these lights is the only light lighting up. It's supposed to be all three of these. It's supposed to go in this direction. Now, I did read online that these have built-in relays. It's like a built-in flasher on each one of the lights. So basically what you have to do is you have to get rid of your original relay. And this bike came with an LED relay flasher. And I had a little bit of trouble finding it. I started off behind the headlight. It wasn't up there. It was right here. So if you see the starter, it's right up from there. I had to take the side cover off. This thing, you can see this rubber slot right here. That was just pushed onto that rubber, or that metal prong right there. So anyways, we're just going to do away with this. We can bypass this. And then these things should function correctly. Alright, so I have unplugged this. Here's a little 3-prong plug that it plugs into. Now you can see my light isn't flashing at all now. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your flasher, cut that plug off of it. You can see I chopped it off of those 3 wires. You're not going to be using that flasher no more. You are left with a gray, black, and green. So to bypass it, you want to connect the gray and the black together. And then you're going to want to put some heat shrink or something over that. I'm just going to show you this just for the sake of the video. Then you're going to plug this back in to the original connector. Just like that. Now you can see I have all 3 lighting up. So that's my right turn signal. That's my left. And then also up front is my left. That's it. This is a 2023 Hellcat 125, the carbureted version. So I'm just out for a little cruise. I'm just going to do a quick walk around to show you guys what the turn signals look like when it's dark out. Nice and bright. That headlight definitely isn't bright enough, but at least I got some good bright signals for now. I like it. I still need to get that piece of crap carburetor off of there, but I'm going to be going and taking my motorcycle test Saturday to get my endorsement. So I'm going to be taking it on this. Wish me luck.